Alright, so I'm getting ready to scalp the news, and the date is the 6th of December. And I'm looking at Forex Factory. Time is 10:56 p.m. local time. And as you can see, at 11 p.m., which is 4 minutes from now, there'll be rate Canadian news on rate statement and overnight rate. So this is basically interest rates, which is one of the major things I'll trade. All right, so to trade this, the first thing I'll do is I'll go to my position sizing calculator. So for example, if your account size is $4,500, you're risking 2%. Stop loss will always be 12 pips away for this strategy. Unless it's a pound pair, we place it further away. And because I'm trading Canadian news, I'll be looking at the Canadian dollar CAD. There we go. So based on this, if I click calculate, I will trade 0.95 lots. Okay, so that's my position size. So I'm at dollar Canadian. Now, when I put my orders, I usually use the 5-minute candles. But just before the news is released, I'll switch it to 1-minute candles, right? So I will put in the order. Right now it's 10:57. So I always put in the order exactly 3 minutes before the market opens. Now let's take a look. Currently the market is at, let's see, what's the price right now? Let me just open something up here. Okay, so the price is currently at 266.2. 1.2662. Okay, so I'm going to put my buy order 12 pips above that. Okay, so 2.662 plus 12 pips. So my buy order will be 2.674, and my sell order will be 12 pips below that. So 2.662 minus 12, 2.650. 2.650. There we go. Okay, great. So I'm going to click new order. And again, what were the lots that we're trading? 0.95 lots. So I'm going to put here 0.95 lots to be traded. Okay, so first I'm going to put in my buy order. So it's going to be a pending buy stop at 2.674. Okay, so 1.2674. And my stop loss would be at the current market price, 1.2662. Okay, so my buy order is placed here. Okay, next I'm going to put in my short order. So again, I'm going to put a sell stop now at 2.650. Okay, 1.2650. Stop loss at the current market price, 1.2662. Okay, so there we go. So as you can see, the market is now here. And let's see what happens. Okay, so it jumped up, it triggered my buy order, it's flying. Right, you can see it's flying up. Okay, so I'm gonna, whoa, that's great. Okay, so I'm making a lot of profit right now. So I'm gonna cancel my short order. Okay, and I'm holding on to my long order, ready to take profit on my long order. So the moment this candle closes, the 1-minute candle closes, okay, at 11:01, I will take profits. Okay, at 11:01, I'll take profits. Currently, you can see that it is at 2.70, 2.710, 2.714. Okay. I'm already making a $300 profit. That's not bad. A candle is closed, so 2724. So I'm going to put my stop loss at 2724. 2724. Here we go. Well, it's still running. 2733. I'm going to raise my stop loss to 2733. It's still running. Raise my stop loss to I'm basically raising my stop loss to wherever is current market price, 2738. I'm going to raise it to 2738. Catch as much as I can. Okay, I got stopped out. All right, so I'm out of the trade, and you can see that what's my profit. Let me pull up my P&L right now. So I made a profit of $437, as you can see, okay, on this dollar Canadian trade, and I made $400 profit in just 1 minute. All right, 1 minute I made $400. Okay, so that was a pretty good trade. All right, so let me do a quick debrief about the trade which I just did. I couldn't talk very much during the trade because, as you can see, when you scalp the news, things are moving very fast, so I have to react very quickly to make sure I make money. Okay, but now that it's over, I can do a quick debrief about what just happened. All right. Okay, so basically the news was to be released at 11 p.m. Canadian news. As you can see, it's one of the 4 major news that I trade. This is based on interest rates. Okay. So once I know that there's going to be news, I will get ready to scalp the news and place my order exactly 3 minutes before the news is released. No more than that. No earlier, no later. Exactly 3 minutes, you have to be precise. So you saw on my clock, it was about 10:57 where I placed the trade. Now again, before that happens, you can do a bit of preparation. So the first thing I did was to determine my lot size. How many lots am I trading, right? My position size. So to do that, I go to my position sizing calculator. You can use any one online. There's so many of them. I just use this one by my fxbook.com. That's just my personal preference, but can use whichever one you want, okay? So I put in my account size. So this account is about $4,500 US. It's there. And I decided to risk 2% of my capital for this trade. So again, you have to decide on your risk per trade. You can start with 1%, 2%, 3%, but be consistent throughout. Okay, so it's 2%. And again, for this strategy, our stop loss is 12 pips away. Okay, so for both the long and the short, they're 12 pips away. So currency pair dollar CAD. So from here, I know that I'm trading 0.95 lots. Okay, which is basically 95,000 units. Okay, so what was my actual risk I was taking? So if you take 2%, let me just do some math here. Okay, if you take 2% times 4,005, okay, my actual dollar risk is 4,005 times 2%, was $90. Okay, so I was basically risking $90 for both my long and my short orders. Okay, so at the end of the day, I made, let me just check it out. How much did I make? So I'm going to go to terminal, view, terminal. Okay, so I made $437, or well, round it to 438. 438. So I made 438 divided by $90. Okay, so my profit, let me write this down. 438 out of 90. That is 4.86 R. Okay, so I always like to determine my results in terms of R. Okay, how many R did I achieve? Now you can also calculate R's in terms of the number of pips that you got, right? So I was risking 12 pips, right? So 12 pips was 1 R, okay? So basically I captured, let me see, let me do the maths. I captured 58 pips in about a minute. Okay, so that is equivalent to 4.86 R. All right. Okay, so that's the result. Now again, that's in 1 minute, so that's a pretty good trade. All right. So if you'd like to get more of these videos, do subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to enroll in my online professional Forex or even stock trading courses, do visit piranhaprofits.com. For live trading courses in Asia, go to wealthacademyglobal.com. So this is Adam Khoo signing off. May the market be with you.